So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NFL Offensive Player of the Year futures bet here on the Bet365 application. So once you're into the Bet365 application, go to the top left-hand side and press on the NFL tab. So for me, it's right below promos. Press on the NFL. Then once you're here, I want you to slide this top bar to where it says lines currently highlighted. I want you to slide this bar all the way to the right until you come across the futures tab. Right here. So once you're on the futures tab, if you want to change it from the Super Bowl odds right here, you can just simply press to win outright. Press on that to the drop down screen, and then scroll down to where it says Offensive Player of the Year. Press on that. There's a whole bunch of different lines here on who can win Offensive Player of the Year. So let's just say for demonstration purposes, you wanted to place a bet on Christian McCaffrey, for example. You can press on the player you wish, then go to the bottom left and press on Set Wager, and you can go to the bottom right and press on Place Bet. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can place an NFL Offensive Player of the Year futures bet here on the Bet365 application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.